gave me these two sour candies, and it's from Japan. And I hope it's gonna be so good, but it's gonna be sour. But it's okay because sour is a bit sweet. So we're gonna try it later.
Bigyan mo na lang. Bigyan mo na lang sa'yo, Alexa, ha?
Daddy says